welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to apply polygel to nail tips. So I'm going to start by applying my tips, and then I'm going to cut them to the desired length, and then I'm going to remove the shine from my natural nails and from the nail tips, and then I'm also going to file the sides so it can be even with my natural nail, and I'm going to be cleaning the area with rubbing alcohol. So I'm also going to be applying my dehydrator. This is just going to help to remove all the oils from my nail bed. I'm only going to be applying the dehydrator on my natural nail, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats of primer so my nails can last longer, and I'm also going to be applying only to my natural nails. After the primer, I'm going to add my foundation, and I'm going to be adding this to the entire nail and the nail tip, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm going to be doing the 2 bead method, and basically what it is you just apply 1 bead and then you pat it down and then you cure it, and then you apply the other bead to build the apex and to build the nail a little thicker. So as you can see here, I'm only using the tip of my brush. I want to make sure that I'm pushing the polygel back as far as I can, making it flush with the cuticle, but not flooding the cuticle, down with little tiny strokes, so I don't mess up the apex. And I'm also doing this to the sides of the nail, so it could be completely covered on the sides. And I'm using alcohol from a slip solution. So after I'm done doing this, I cure the nail for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to apply my second bead, and I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to build my apex, and then I'm going to start pulling down with little tiny strokes until the bead is completely flattened. So here I'm just repeating the process. I'm flattening it out and bringing it down with my brush, only the tip of my brush. And I'm not using a lot of alcohol, because if you use a lot of alcohol, then your polygel is going to become really runny. So make sure that you dry the brush a little bit before you start working your polygel. So I'm going to repeat this step with all my nails. So the main reason why I like using tips instead of dual forms is because I don't like when the polygel floods the undernail. I really hate that feeling. So I use tips to avoid this. Also, I feel like the tip adds another layer, like a protective layer to your nail, so it doesn't break as easily. And also I feel like I have more control of how thick I want the nail to be, and how to create like a thicker apex or a thinner apex when I'm using nail forms. When I'm using nail tips. When you use a nail form, like, you just take the form that the nail form has, so you can't really add more polygel. I mean, you can if you want to, after you've removed your nail form, but I mean, I just feel like that's just a waste of time. I don't know, I find it easier to just use a nail tip instead of the nail forms. But yeah. So after I'm done with curing them and stuff, I'm gonna remove the sticky layer by removing it with a cotton ball and some alcohol. Now I'm gonna shape the nails, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm removing all of the bumps before I apply my decorations or anything that I'm gonna apply on it. now I'm gonna apply top coat so they can be ready for my design. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you have any like tips of what I could do better, also let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.